Lesson: Best practices for compliance with government access laws. Ensuring compliance with government access laws is a critical aspect of managing private information. As data privacy concerns intensify, organizations must navigate complex legal landscapes to safeguard sensitive information while adhering to statutory obligations. Government access laws, which govern the conditions under which public authorities can access private data, are designed to strike a balance between individual privacy and the needs of law enforcement and national security. For professionals in the field of information privacy, understanding best practices for compliance is crucial to prevent legal repercussions, safeguard organizational reputation, and protect individual privacy rights. A fundamental best practice is the establishment of a comprehensive data governance framework that incorporates compliance with government access laws. This involves a clear understanding of the legal requirements specific to the jurisdictions in which the organization operates. For instance, the United States has a variety of laws governing governmental access to data, such as the Electronic Communications Privacy Act, the Foreign Intelligence Surveillance Act, and the USA Patriot Act. Each of these laws has distinct provisions and requirements that must be understood and adhered to by privacy professionals. Organizations should implement robust access control mechanisms to ensure that only authorized personnel have access to sensitive information. This includes deploying technologies such as encryption, multi-factor authentication, and secure communication channels to protect data from unauthorized access. Encryption, in particular, serves as a powerful tool to shield data from unauthorized access, even if it is intercepted by government entities. However, privacy professionals must also be aware of legal requirements that may mandate the provision of decryption keys to authorities under certain circumstances. Regular training and awareness programs for employees are essential in fostering a culture of compliance within the organization. Employees should be well informed about the legal obligations regarding government access to data and the protocols to follow in the event of a request for information. This includes understanding the importance of maintaining detailed records of such requests and ensuring that they are handled in accordance with legal and organizational policies. Training programs can be supported by practical tools such as compliance checklists and decision-making frameworks that guide employees through the process of evaluating and responding to government requests. A proactive approach involves conducting regular audits and assessments to ensure that compliance measures are effectively implemented and functioning as intended. These audits should evaluate the organization's data handling practices, access controls, and incident response protocols to identify potential vulnerabilities and areas for improvement. Engaging third-party experts to conduct independent audits can provide an objective assessment of an organization's compliance posture and recommend actionable improvements. Legal and compliance teams should establish clear procedures for responding to government requests for data access. This includes verifying the legitimacy of the request, assessing the scope of information sought, and determining the appropriate legal response. Organizations should have a designated point of contact to handle such requests to ensure a consistent and legally sound approach. In some cases, it may be necessary to challenge the request in court to protect the privacy rights of individuals, highlighting the need for legal expertise in navigating complex legal landscapes. Case studies provide valuable insights into the practical challenges and solutions associated with compliance with government access laws. For example, the case of Microsoft Corp v. United States demonstrated the complexities of cross-border data access and the legal battles that can arise when government requests conflict with foreign data protection laws. In this case, Microsoft successfully challenged a government warrant for data stored on servers located in Ireland, illustrating the importance of understanding international legal frameworks and advocating for privacy rights. Another illustrative example is the transparency reports published by major technology companies such as Google and Apple, which detail the number and types of government requests for user data they receive. These reports serve as a valuable tool for organizations to demonstrate their commitment to transparency and accountability in handling government requests. By providing aggregated data on the frequency and nature of requests, organizations can build trust with their users and the public, while also highlighting the need for clear legal standards governing government access to data. Statistics further underscore the significance of compliance with government access laws. According to a report by the Electronic Frontier Foundation, the number of government requests for user data has been steadily increasing, with major technology companies receiving thousands of requests each year. This trend highlights the growing importance of robust compliance measures and the need for organizations to remain vigilant in protecting user privacy while fulfilling legal obligations. Privacy professionals must also stay informed about evolving legal and regulatory developments that may impact compliance with government access laws. This requires continuous monitoring of legislative changes, court rulings, and policy updates that could affect the organization's data protection practices. Engaging with industry associations, attending conferences, and participating in professional development programs can help professionals stay abreast of the latest trends and best practices in data privacy and compliance. In conclusion, best practices for compliance with government access laws involve a multifaceted approach that encompasses legal understanding, technological safeguards, employee training, regular audits, and proactive engagement with legal and regulatory developments. By implementing a comprehensive data governance framework, organizations can navigate the complexities of government access laws, protect individual privacy rights, and maintain public trust. As the landscape of data privacy continues to evolve, privacy professionals must remain vigilant and adaptable, leveraging practical tools and frameworks to address real-world challenges and enhance their proficiency in this critical area of information privacy.